want to be the like discipline and the things. So you have to be very pure. Take a shower now.
Discipline.
त्यहाँ पानी
You got.
So you're going home now or? Hello?
Oh, this is the temple, where we always come together in difficult time, and people talk. They try to support each other, and emotionally, and at the same time financially as well. And people are being very generous, to support Nepal, and that's how community work together here. Oh, it is heartbreaking, and we all saddened. It's unimaginable. Incident happened in Nepal. We never thought of it. This could happen in Nepal, and all the families. People are living over here. All the families they live. They are all well connected in Nepal as well. There still some families live back in Nepal. They're all anxious, what's happening, and so many people are already died, and some are missing, property are damaged. It's all anxious period for community in UK.
I'm paying now for 5 pounds donation to the temple.
I'm feeling sad because obviously I've lost someone special to me, and it was actually my brother. So it's really sad because obviously he went on a trip and he's lost his life due to the flooding. He's been taken away by the floods, but it is upsetting. So yeah.
Like for 45 days, and like there's like 13 days like specific time. So that
Everyone very broken heart since from this is happened. And then some people they said that incident is happening in Nepal. We're not celebrating this festival, but we said we need to be celebrate because of for the peacefully we celebrate, and then many people when come, then we collect the donation, and then we send to the donation, and at the same time when many people die in the incidents also be for their soul peace and harmony for for also we need to be pray for them. So we prayed this morning 2-3 hours.